Tom here again from Black Range Railway. I haven't been procrastinating, but I was waiting on my hookup wire, so here it is. Kind of a different wire I'm used to. I guess I ordered the wrong stuff. It's a real heavy jacket, same 24 gauge, but actually kind of nice. It'll hold a bend really nice. So there's that. And a neighbor made some freeze-dried M&Ms. Delicious. Speaking of making things, making a mess, but I'm done, so gonna clean her up. Been working on installing LED lights in the Grand Island extension. So they're in. Come over here, grab the remote. Over here, hit the photo cell, and we're on. Oops, sorry. So there we are, kind of cool. Long time coming. So what I had to do was run a bus wire under here and then just connect all these little LED leads, twisting them on. And I go through and I solder them, put a little heat shrink on them. So that takes me over to the power. So this runs off of a 3-volt regulated power supply from Evans Design, and it goes through their special wire, bus wire, and then you connect all the LEDs and put that onto a switch here so I can actually turn off the lights. So a couple of these are live, the others are switched. So that's in the works. And other than that, I'll show you another video soon.